Good evening, viewers. We welcome you to today's news edition. First, let's take a quick look at the headlines. President Murmu pays homage to former President Dr. K.R. Narayanan on his birth anniversary. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh participates in the 76th Infantry Day celebrations at Budgam in Jammu and Kashmir. Chief Minister Conrad Sangma inaugurates the new infrastructures for the College of Teacher Education, PGT, Shillong. And government will try to increase cash rewards, incentives and support to the athletes, says Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma. The news in detail. President Draupadi Murmu today paid homage to former President of India, Dr. K.R. Narayanan, on his birth anniversary at Rashtrapati Bhavan. The President and officials of Rashtrapati Bhavan offered floral tributes in front of a portrait of Dr. Narayanan. The Indian Army is celebrating the 76th Infantry Day today. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh has greeted and extended warm wishes to the brave infantrymen on the occasion. In a tweet, Singh said Indian infantry has been associated with utmost courage and professionalism, and the nation salutes their bravery, sacrifice and service. Chief of Defence Staff General Anil Chauhan laid a wreath and paid tributes at the National War Memorial in New Delhi on the occasion. Army Chief General Manoj Pandey also conveyed his best wishes to all ranks, veterans, Veer Naris and families of the infantry.
मैं आज 100 दिवस और इन्फेंट्री डे के अवसर पर भारतीय सेना वायुसेना के सभी बहादुर सैनिकों का तहे दिल में हार्दिक अभिनंदन करता हूं और उन्हें हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं भी देता हूं, जिनके अदम्य साहस के कारण आज हमारे भारत के नागरिक सुरक्षित हैं। आप सभी भविष्य में भी अपने इसी पराक्रम के साथ राष्ट्र की सेवा करते रहेंगे, यह सारे देश को पक्का भरोसा है, पक्का विश्वास है।
Chief Minister Conrad Sangma, along with Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong, today inaugurated the new infrastructures for the College of Teacher Education, PGT, Shillong, comprising of the new building funded by RUSA MEGHALAYA and the auditorium funded by North Eastern Council. Addressing the gathering, Chief Minister Sangma said there is definitely a need to see some expansion of the infrastructure in this college, as some expansion happened with the funding from the state government as well as from RUSA and from NEC, but much more is required. He also asked the principal of the college to submit an application on various needs and describing the situation. The approach road of the college was also inaugurated later.
There is definitely a need to see some sort of expansion. I'm happy to see that some expansion has taken place with the help of different fundings from state government as well as from RUSA and from NEC, but we can clearly see that there is much more that's required. So definitely I'm not very clear, of course, as of now on the needs that are there. I have requested Madam Principal to submit describing the entire situation that is there and sharing with us what the needs are, and definitely would be very keen to support in every way that is possible.
Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma said the state government will try to increase the cash rewards, incentives and support to the athletes who bring laurels to the state in national and international sports events. He was speaking to reporters during an event at State Convention Centre to felicitate the medal winners and athletes who represented India at the World Arm Wrestling Championship and World Para-Arm Wrestling held in Turkey recently. The athletes who represented India in the Pro-Arm Universe Championship held in Thailand and the WFF Pro-Arm Asia Pacific held in Vietnam were also felicitated on the occasion.
Always recognize the efforts that have been made by these sports persons, and we have continuously tried to always facilitate them, felicitate them, and give them different kind of support in every possible way. Our endeavor is to keep increasing it as much as possible, but obviously we do have limitations also. So based on the situations and based on overall budget available and financials that are there, and overall let's see how things move forward. We are definitely open to give more support and more incentives and more cash rewards to the athletes who bring knowledge to the state.
People's Democratic Front (PDF) Working President Bante Dor Lyngdoh said the party will contest in 15 to 20 seats in Khasi Jaintia Hills in the upcoming Assembly election 2023. Optimistic of winning more seats in the upcoming Assembly poll, the PDF leader said the number of its legislators will see an increase. When asked about the report that PDF MLAs are in touch with Conrad Sangma-led NPP and likely to switch allegiance, Lyngdoh said, nothing is official now, and if the legislators leave the party, the vacuum will be filled accordingly.
The PDF, they are doing well, I'll tell you, last election. And this election, even more seat we will get, which we got last time, 4 seats. And we are, and so many, candidate, and so many, I'll tell the people of the state also, they are looking to us, and then we hope that this time we'll get more seats because we are more stronger rather than last time.
Meghalaya government will table the draft ordinance to repeal the controversial Meghalaya Regulation of Gaming Act 2021 in the next cabinet meeting. This was informed by Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma. The government's decision to repeal the MRGA 2021 was following stiff opposition from stakeholders including church leaders and pressure group leaders against the setting up of casinos in the state. The weather report. The maximum temperature was recorded at 20.6 degrees Celsius and the minimum temperature was 9.7 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 47%, while in the evening it was 76%. Forecast: light rain is very likely to occur at isolated places. Our news bulletin is also available live on our YouTube channel. In addition to watching on television, viewers may visit the DD News Shillong YouTube channel to tune in into our daily bulletin. Before we wrap up, here are the headlines once again. President Murmu pays homage to former President Dr. K.R. Narayanan on his birth anniversary. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh participates in 76 Infantry Day celebrations at Budgam in Jammu and Kashmir. Chief Minister Conrad Sangma inaugurates the new infrastructures for the College of Teacher Education (PGT) Shillong. And government will try to increase cash rewards, incentives and support to the athletes, says Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma. Well, viewers, that is all we have for you from our newsroom this evening. We will be back tomorrow at the same time with new updates. Till then, it's good night. Good.